Welcome back to our video tutorial. So peer-to-peer networking again. So what we're going to do now is we will install printer and then share. So we will share the printer so the other computer can print documents. So this is our operator. Okay, so the printer, we have the printer here, Epson L120 series. So this is our printer. Okay. So then the printer is connected in computer number 2. So that is the data cable of the printer. And then going through the computer number 2. Number 2? Number 2? Okay, so the printer is connected in computer number 2. So what we're going to do now is we'll install the driver of the printer. So before installing the printer driver, you must connect the printer first and then turn on or switch on the printer. Okay, so the printer is already on. And then we'll insert the flash drive on the computer number 2. So where the driver installer for the printer Epson L120 series is located. So we'll come back here on the computer number 2. We'll open the flash drive and install the printer. So in the default, the printer is set as default. Then click OK. So printer driver is installation process. Once it is already completed, so click OK. And then verify if the printer is already installed. So open, click start button, and then devices and printers. And then you can see here the Epson L120 series is installed. So what we're going to do next is we will share this printer. We'll configure the printer to share. Then check the ports if the port is exactly the virtual or USB virtual port. And check the port. So the port is USB virtual printer port. So Epson L120 series. So kung yung printer is naka-connect at naka-on while nag-install kayo ng driver ng printer, so automatically the system will configure and then locate the port where the printer is being connected. But once the printer is not connected and then you install the driver, once the printer is connected into the system, so the system will automatically create a copy 1. Check the network. Open the computer number 2 if the printer driver is installed. So you can see here on the network, printer Epson L120 series is installed. So next is we'll go to the first computer. Then we'll open the network. Then open the network. Okay, so open the computer number 2 which is Chris PC. Okay, so the printer is already here located. So what you're going to do is double click so that the computer number 1 will grab the driver on the printer located on printer or computer number 2. So finish. So once finished, check if the printer is installed. Go to the either control panel or devices and printers. So you can see here the printer is being installed. So uh, what is the next is we'll test printing. So the printer is connected in computer number 2. So we'll test computer number 1 if the computer number 1 can print documents on the printer connected on computer number 2. So open any Word process, either Microsoft Word or Notepad, and then type and then print. Okay, then print after encoding a document. So print and then select the printer. So the printer is Epson 120 series on Chris PC. So that is the computer number 2. So you need to select and then click print. Then on the printer, so we will see if the printer will print the document on computer number 1. So the command is already passed to the printer. Okay, so the printer is printing, but the printer is nag-paper jam. No. Okay, so the printer is already finished printing. So successfully, the printer is shared. So this is a peer-to-peer networking, and then we install the printer and share the printer. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Operator. Muna operator, oh. Kuan pag yun. Muna uban dia mga Mongol, oh. So nag peer-to-peer networking yapon sila. So that's all. Thank you very much, very big for watching. Bye.